Children, welcome once again. I am Juluri Purushottam Good, School Assistant Mathematics, JPH Saler, Mandal Nellikuduru. Children, today we have to discuss about exercise 4.1, second bit, question number G. That is x minus y is equal to 8 and 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. See this Nana here. G question, this is x minus y is equal to 8 and 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. We have to check whether this pair are consistent or inconsistent. Okay, by the help of our a1 by a2 is equal to, here a1 means the coefficient of x, that is 1, and the coefficient of this x is equal to 3, that is 1 by 3, and b1 by b2 is equal to, here coefficient is minus 1 and this is minus 3, so it will be cancelled, then we get 1 by 3, and a c1 by c2, that is 8 by 16, which is 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, we get 1 by 2. So what happened Nana here? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but it is not equal to C1 by C2. So it follows this condition, third condition. So the given equations are inconsistent equations. Okay, Nana? Is it clear? Already we know if they are inconsistent equations, or the graphical representation is parallel lines, okay, it has no solution. But go through by the graphical method once, check that. First I am taking x minus y is equal to 8. Okay. Here I am taking x is equal to 0. This is x Nana. This is y value and this is x comma y. If I am taking x is equal to 0, we get, if we substitute 0, minus y is equal to 8. And minus cancel means we get, this is minus 8. So your pair is 0 comma minus 8. It is one of the pair. If I am taking y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then x is equal to, we get 8. And this is 8 comma 0. Is it clear, Nana? So we can write as here. Plot the points. Plot the points 0 comma minus 8 and 8 comma 0 in a graph sheet. And join the points to get a straight line. Is it clear, Nana? Now take as the second question, that is 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. For this is also, see this Nana, this is the x, this is y, and take as here x comma y. If I am taking x is equal to 0, here I am taking as 0, then what we get for y? Once we check in the rough, at the place of x is equal to 0, 3 into 0 is 0, remaining is minus 3y is equal to 16, then y is equal to minus 3, this is rough, rough work. Okay, minus 3 shift that side is minus 16 by 3. When I divide 16 by 3, we get 3 5s are 15 and 1 we get remainder, 3 3s are 9, means approximately minus 5.3. Is it clear, Nana? So we can write as here minus 5.3. So if I am going to substitute 0, we get minus 5.3. Right. And for y is equal to 0, here y is equal to 0, 3 into 0 is 0, so the remaining is 3x is equal to 16 and x is equal to same 16 by 3, but there minus 16 by 3 plus 16 by 3, 5 by 3 only, positive 5 by 3. So your answer is 5.3 comma 0. So right here, plot the points. Zero comma minus 5.3 and 5.3 comma 0 in a graph sheet. And join the points. To get a, for this also we get a straight line, because it is a linear equation, straight line. Okay, remaining part after completing the graph. Okay, how this is the graph paper nana. First I am constructing and drawing the vertical line, which we treated as, this is called the y-axis once again. Okay, this is y-axis, and draw the horizontal line, which we treated as x-axis. Right now this is x-axis and this is x dash, means negative x-axis. This is y dash. Right, clear? And this is at the place of origin we have to take as 0 0 and 1 2 3 and like that, so on. And left side we have to take as minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 minus 6, or take like this, and the positive direction 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, okay, so on you have to write. And negative y-axis minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, like this you have to write. Is it clear now? And like the scale also, on x-axis take as 1 centimeter is equal to, here 1 centimeter is equal to 1 only meter, that's why 1 unit. On y-axis, that also 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. You must write this scale also for every problem. And okay children, now I am going to plot the points. First 0 comma minus 8, the x is 0, we get on y-axis, this is minus 8, on y-axis minus 8, this is the minus 8. Okay, next 8 comma 0, positive 8, that is on x-axis, here this is 8, and join the points. Okay, from that plus 8 to this minus 8, on x-axis plus 8 and y-axis minus 8. Draw this line, we get this line today once again. Okay, this is a line which is formed by x minus y is equal to 8. Next, for the second equation, 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. 0 comma minus 5, 0 comma minus 5 comma minus 5.3. Okay, this is x is 0 means it will get on y-axis at the place of minus 5.3. 5 after 3, 1 2 3. Okay, it is on y-axis. And next is 5.3 comma 0, 5.3 on x-axis, 1 2 3. Yes, yeah. Okay, when I join these points, what happened? These two lines cannot intersect, they are the parallel lines. Is it clear for all? So we got parallel lines. So here write, to get a straight line which is parallel to first line. So what we understood? So they have no solution. Okay. So this is the method to do the problem now. See here, this is the graph. Is it clear for all? Right. And that graph information. Right now. I explained total 3 graphs are remaining. You have to complete this exercise.